The charitable...
It's the only one with a working radio. We found the code and entered it in. It works. Awesome. Well, hey, y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. Got another fun episode of Rover Rescue for you today. It's episode 11 now, believe it or not. I'm still trying to bring other things to you, but the Rover stuff is very interesting and seems to be multiplying because, of course, they're British cars. So stay tuned and let's see where today takes us. It's very hot out and yeah, it's going to be a fun morning. Well, first time looking underneath this one. It's the filter, front axle. Let's see. Well, it's got more bushings than the red one and there's really a lot of stuff growing underneath here. There's back on this side, looks like, yeah.
It's that big
that one.
36 or something.
Okay. All right. This steering stabilizer here is pretty well crushed. That could be causing some of the issues with steering. I mean, that probably needs to be replaced anyway. But today, we'll do the oil and filter. And then let it run for a while and circulate that oil and just get things going again. Because, you know, it's been sitting for so long. I'm getting the filter off. Figured I'd get started on that. Man, that was not on hand tight.
It was or wasn't?
No.
No, it was fine. Mine was harder than the socket.
Some black gold coming out. Delicious.
Nice.
Alright, one down.
About that time, we ripped off the front clip.
Yeah, it's still not going on. It's just way too big. What the hell?
Just not enough
What
lure.
idiot came up with it? I guess they just use spanners in the UK or something. It's just dumb.
It came out of the back.
I think so. I mean, I put it from underneath and from the top.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, see?
I didn't know that was the problem.
Yeah, that's why it's that.
What the f?
Current sit rep. There is the bolt we need to remove to drain the oil, but there's not enough room to get a socket in there and turn it because the downpipe is in the way, which is just a lovely design. So thanks for that, Land Rover. Really appreciate it.
I don't know what those girls do because they don't.
It's been busted loose with help
Or immediately. There's no in between.
of this wrench. It's gonna come. Here she comes. Get ready for some more black gold, folks.
Yeah, I need a month.
There's a freaking. What is
At
that?
least until we get a check from.
Ah, that's the washer.
Shit's gonna fund up.
Here we go. All right. Lovely. That's nasty though. Absolutely nasty. It'd be so nice to get fresh oil in there and get this thing running. Well, it's time to get some oil in the new filter and put it up in the housing where it belongs.
I didn't let you change it.
Oh, I know, you certainly can, and I certainly did, but, you know, in between. Okay. Nice.
Newer belts. Mine look almost original. They had the teeth on them still.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that's the filter in. Yeah, time for fresh fill.
Going real risky with it.
What do you mean? Yeah, for that big jug, we'll definitely get a... But this is the half I had left after the... Now for the big jug. Honey colored. Not like that stuff that came out of the bottom. That was nasty. But I guess that oil had been in since 2004 or something, so. So much better looking than what came out. I'm gonna put half of this one in, and then we can check the level. That's another thing. I need to put some water in this or something because I think the coolant's pretty low. We're gonna run it for a little bit anyway. Job's a good one. Time for the first start. Let's see what happens with the alarm.
Battery out?
Huh? I just plugged the battery back in. Oh, back. Oh, well, I'm just gonna start it. Let's see what happens. All right. Running with fresh. Nice new oil. I really hate that horn. Time to remove the horn connectors. Where is it? Oh, at the top, yeah. Take that alarm.
Give you like no room to get this.
Hey, it's the same as when you change oil. No room.
Alright, maybe that doesn't make much sense
Yeah.
anymore.
Yay! Working on the power steering. Man, this is so much better than it was. Putting some fluid in, and it's like you could actually drive it now. So much better. Nice. I mean, really. There's a little bit of like tension still, but
Just save yourself $1,000.
yeah, at least. Nice. And I wish the radio worked. But we're messing with the power window switches now. This one seems to have been working on this window only. But hey, kind of works. And it's actually auto down. The window's auto down, which is cool. Got the back windows going. We just need to get some switches then.
Oh yeah. So this is the front.
Yeah, it's the only one that doesn't work now is this one. It's the only one that doesn't need to work, right? Driver's side one. Still running nice. No fuel leaks, no oil leaks. Just a little bit of an exhaust leak.
You got all except for your.
Except for the driver.
You said this switch works.
Yeah, it definitely works on the sunroof.
Close that door.
That one might just be the dead one. It's probably used the most.
I thought mine was dead and then it worked.
Well, it would certainly be nice. It certainly is a lot cooler out here with the windows down than it was with them up.
That is a good switch.
Yeah, definitely a good switch. Oh, hey. There's some American flags here from the back. Proper day for it, too. And some gum. Nice. We'll get some gas. We'll go around through the dollar store, like we did.
No, why not?
That's the first time this thing's driven in a while. Brakes feel good. Steering's getting better.
Yeah, I probably should put air in the tires too, but she's humming along. I'm waiting for one of the bags just to go pop.
I don't think there's any air in any of them.
Feel good? I feel like it's got a little pop.
Yeah, it feels good. Turn signals don't work.
Oh, brakes. It's maintaining temperature at least.
Yeah, it's like midway through the range. Pretty nice.
Watch out.
Yeah. Just want to get out of it. That way so the guy can get around us. Well, that's fine. Only thing that's on is the washer fluid now.
Yeah, that's wild. No lights. Even the ABS light went off.
Yeah, that's big.
Alright.
I mean, people do drive these things around with with total suspension on them.
Oh, yeah?
All the time. I mean, I'm not going to do that, but...
Just feel a couple flat spots.
Yeah, there's something. There's flat spots in the steering too a little bit, but...
Yeah, let that circulate.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, doing this is going to help. So I keep cranking that thing a lot. Let's see, we got to put it off to turn to do the... There we go. All right. Yes. Going in?
Yeah, let's
Make sure
it's not coming out too, yeah.
Shouldn't be.
One of the best.
I don't know, how many ounces these things take? 20?
About 20?
Somebody put those screws in.
Oh, yeah.
Does that switch too?
Oh, still blinking.
Seatbelt works.
The stance looks good.
The guy at the gas station was saying, he's like, did you guys lower that? I was like, no. Like, oh, airbag's low. Yep.
You might want to not go full lock. You want to back and...
All right.
Looks good.
Like mine.
Lights are still blinking. Lights are still blinking. Even though
Horn's not going off.
yeah, right?
Yeah, I said I fixed the problem. I just fixed it. You can make it lower like that? Nope. We're going next door to the God here, back low. I still think they look really good though. They should.
Oh, now we got the bumper aligned again. I mean, it's like.
Bumper's back on.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, y'all, this has been an amazing day. We got Beluga Black up running, driving, and just sounding pretty good. Still got that exhaust leak, but nothing else seems to be leaking. The only light on the dashboard is the low washer fluid light. So I chalk this up as a success. Thanks y'all for watching so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Look forward to more Doug's Cars and some more Rover Rescue too. Thanks again.